Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Air mattress is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of gear for any home, whether you're dealing with unexpected guests, planning a camping trip, or simply need a comfortable and convenient sleeping solution. This self-inflating air mattress with a frame offers a unique blend of portability and support, aiming to provide a hotel-like sleeping experience wherever you go. We'll dive deep into its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if this is the right choice for your needs. Number 5. INTEX King Size Air Mattress. Introducing the INTEX King Size Air Mattress, designed for ultimate comfort. Its velvety soft surface and 18-inch height provide a luxurious sleeping experience. Engineered with unique fiber-tech construction, this bed offers exceptional support without sagging. It's built to last and can hold up to 600 pounds. Enjoy a restful night's sleep with superior lumbar support. The reinforced beams contour to your body, ensuring full support and a solid foundation. Inflation and deflation are a breeze with the powerful built-in AC electric pump. It inflates in just 4 to 5 minutes and comes with a convenient carry bag. Initial use may require a slight reinflation as it settles. After a few nights, it will fully adapt for consistent comfort and pressure. Whether for camping or travel, this portable inflatable bed provides premium comfort wherever you go. Enjoy an elevated sleeping experience anytime. What we like. Experience unparalleled comfort with its velvety soft top and robust fiber-tech construction. This elevated air mattress is designed for superior lumbar support, ensuring a restful night's sleep. If you prioritize a plush feel and advanced internal support for a truly comfortable experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The air mattress is very comfortable and easy to set up. It inflates and deflates quickly, and the frame provides good support. I love how compact this mattress is when deflated. It fits easily into the storage bag and doesn't take up much space. The built-in pump is powerful and inflates the mattress in just a few minutes. The frame is sturdy and doesn't wobble. Number 4. SENNOUL Twin Air Mattress with built-in pump. Experience rapid setup and takedown with our advanced built-in pump. It inflates and deflates in just 2 minutes, operating at a quiet 60 decibels. Enjoy a stable and comfortable sleep thanks to the internal coil beam structure. It evenly distributes weight, supports up to 550 pounds, and contours to your body. Rest easy on the multi-layer soft flocking fabric. It's gentle on skin, water-resistant, and odor-resistant for a consistently peaceful night's sleep. Crafted from enhanced 0.45 mm PVC, this bed offers superior durability and puncture resistance. The noiseless, non-slip base keeps it securely in place. Perfect for home, camping, or accommodating guests, this inflatable bed provides a comfortable sleeping solution wherever you need it. We are dedicated to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. Contact us with any questions for a prompt and satisfactory solution. What we like. Enjoy a remarkably quiet and fast inflation process with its upgraded, low-noise pump. This air mattress offers exceptional load-bearing capacity and a comfortable, multi-layer flocked surface. If you need a quick setup and a quiet operation, especially for guests or camping, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The air mattress is comfortable and easy to set up. The frame provides good support and stability. It inflates and deflates quickly, making it convenient for storage. Number 3. DIVON Full Air Mattress with built-in pump. Experience superior comfort with its elegant wave pattern and soft suede topper. The indented sides ensure fitted sheets stay in place for an uninterrupted sleep. Engineered with advanced vertical beam technology, it achieves precise weight distribution to minimize pressure points. Its reinforced structure supports up to 660 pounds for ergonomic alignment and all-night comfort. Made with industrial-grade, slip-resistant materials, this bed offers enhanced stability. Its thicker PVC construction prevents overnight deflation, ensuring firm support. Inflate and deflate in just 3 minutes with the built-in pump. Simply plug it in and twist the knob for quick and efficient setup. Perfect for any setting, whether at home, hosting guests, or camping. It's also an ideal gift for family and friends. We are committed to providing an exceptional sleep experience. Please feel free to reach out for any issues. We are always at your service. What we like. Discover enhanced comfort and elegance with its patented vertical beam support and a soft suede topper. This Air mattress boasts premium durability and a leak-resistant design for stable, overnight support. If you're looking for a stylish and reliably firm sleeping surface for guests or temporary use, this option provides both aesthetics and performance. What people say. The Air mattress is comfortable and easy to set up. The frame provides good support and stability. It inflates and deflates quickly, making it convenient for storage. Number 2. DIVON Twin Air Mattress with built-in pump. Experience unparalleled comfort with our Air mattress. Its velvety, waterproof flocked surface is soft to the touch and easy to clean, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Crafted from thickened, eco-friendly material, this bed is built to last and resists punctures. The anti-slip bottom keeps it securely in place and minimizes noise for undisturbed rest. Featuring patented internal construction, it offers outstanding stability and solid support. You can rely on it to maintain its shape and firmness, whether you're sleeping or lounging. Set up and take down is a breeze with the built-in electric pump. It fully inflates or deflates in just 2 minutes, and you can easily adjust it to your preferred firmness. This lightweight inflatable mattress comes with a convenient carry bag, making it perfect for guests, camping trips, or any event. It's easy to store and ready whenever you need it. We stand by the quality of our product. While initial use may require minor adjustments, we offer lifetime support for your complete peace of mind. What we like. Benefit from an upgraded, thickened material and an anti-slip bottom for superior stability and puncture resistance. Its patented vertical beam construction ensures exceptional support without sagging. If durability and a non-slip surface are your top priorities, especially if you have pets or are concerned about movement during sleep, this mattress is a great fit. What people say. The Air mattress is comfortable and easy to set up. The frame provides good support and stability. It inflates and deflates quickly, making it convenient for storage. Number 1. SunsGrove Twin Folding Bed with Mattress. Tired of flimsy bed frames? Ours features upgraded iron slats for superior durability and stability, ensuring a restful night's sleep for you or your guests. Forget complicated assembly. This rolling bed unfolds and sets up in minutes, simplifying your life with its quick and easy design. Enjoy a cozy sleep with the included 5-inch mattress. It combines high-density foam and luxury memory foam to reduce spinal stress. Move it anywhere with ease thanks to its 4 smooth rolling wheels. Lock them in place for ultimate stability when you find the perfect spot. No more mattress sliding. Metal retainers on the side keep it securely in place, even during transport, for uninterrupted comfort. Folding it up is a breeze with the innovative strap and buckle system. Store it conveniently in a corner or behind cabinets, saving valuable space. Ideal for small apartments or offices, it provides a comfortable sleeping solution for unexpected guests or a quick nap. Enjoy convenience without sacrificing comfort. What we like. Experience the convenience of a foldable guest bed with a comfortable 5-inch memory foam mattress and a sturdy metal frame. It sets up in minutes and features roll-away wheels for easy mobility and locking. If you need a space-saving, ready-to-go sleeping solution for unexpected guests or frequent temporary use, this roll-away bed is incredibly practical. What people say. The Air mattress is very comfortable and easy to set up. It inflates quickly and deflates just as fast, making it convenient for travel or overnight guests. The built-in frame provides excellent support and stability, preventing the mattress from sagging or rolling off. It feels like sleeping on a real bed. The mattress is made of durable material and has held up well after multiple uses. It's also surprisingly quiet, with no squeaking or rustling sounds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.